Hello, welcome to SAT Math Review. My name is Jonathan. We are discussing the College Board SAT Practice Test Number 10, Section 3, Question 5, Subject, Exponents and Radicals. We're provided an expression which is the square root of 9 times x squared. If x is greater than 0, which of the following is equivalent to the given expression? A, 3x, B, 3x squared, C, 18x, and D, 18x to the fourth. Okay, so step one, the square root of a product of two positive factors equals the product of the square roots of each factor. And that's a fancy way of saying the square root of a times b is equal to the square root of a times the square root of b. We have positive factors, 9 and x squared in this case, and their product is 9 times x squared. So when we take the square root of 9x squared, it will equal the square root of 9 times the square root of x squared. It's important to note that if x is greater than 0, as is the case here, then the square root of x squared will equal x. So we have the square root of 9 times the square root of x squared. We know the square root of 9 is 3. And per step 2, we know that since x is greater than 0, the square root of x squared is x. So that's our answer, 3x, A. Now I'd like to proceed with an alternate solution, substitution. It is multiple choice, and sometimes we could take advantage of that. So we can substitute a value for x in the expression and check the answers for equivalence. Any positive value of x should work, since x is greater than 0. So let's try 2. So let's bring our expression down here. The square root of 9 times x squared, and that becomes the square root of 9 times 2 squared, which becomes the square root of 9 times 4, which equals the square root of 36, and that equals 6. So when x equals 2, the expression equals 6. And when x equals 2, the only choice that equals 6 is choice A, because 3 times x, which is 2, equals 6. I hope you have enjoyed this analysis as much as I have. In the description section of this video, I have provided resource links for the College Board SAT, 8 SAT practice tests, and answer explanations. Please continue with question 6 by clicking on the left side of the screen. Or please review my SAT practice test number 10, section 3 playlist by clicking on the right side of the screen. And please subscribe to my SAT Math Review channel by clicking on the blue circle at the top of the screen. I am actively rolling out new videos, so please be on the lookout for them. See you next time.